Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how you can buy phone in Blinkit application. So let's start the video friends. In any smartphone, so first you have to download the Blinkit application from App Store or Play Store. I have downloaded it from the Play Store application. Just click on this Blinkit, add address and log in it. You can enable the device location also. Now click on this search, and then friends you have to click on the search bar and you can type phone here which you want to buy. I am just writing here phone. So there are lots of phones are here. You can see iPhones also are available. You can see in 21 minutes they will give you in your house. So there are lots of available phones are here. So you can see this is the iPhone. This is 17 Pro and it is 256, 1,28,900. You have to just click on add to cart, click on view cart, then you can pay using any method. So here it is. You can check the bill also. Here it is. The bill handling charges is 7 rupees. So click on this pay using, and you can see the payment method is not available at the moment because it is lot. So you can pay it through your Paytm or any UPI method or wallet, net banking. So that's how you can buy this smartphone easily from this, and it will available in just 21 minutes. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.